Hello guys, welcome to my channel Why Succeed, and this is Lucky X-Men here with you today to give you more tricks about Premiere Pro. And it's a template for you guys in Premiere Pro 2020, and it's gonna be fantastic for you guys. I have previously given you some tricks about Premiere Pro and I hope you liked it. And now again today I'm gonna reveal some step that you can save a lot of time in Premiere Pro and you don't need to have any skill for it, okay? Any beginner for Premiere Pro 2020 guys, stay with me, hang on to it, and I'm gonna tell you something very cool and nice trick about Premiere Pro. Till then, watch this intro. I'm gonna come back in a few seconds. Welcome again guys after this intro, and without doing any delay, let's jump into the computer and show you what's on it, okay? Let's go. Okay guys, here we are in a computer, and this is my channel. And I've already applied the settings on my YouTube channel and on this video in Premiere Pro. Right guys, I'm gonna, because why I'm showing you this is, the reason is this is the outcome. All right, you need to know the outcome before you do something in Premiere Pro or your video guys. So this is a real example of what I have done with my video, because I have applied my free template. Alright guys, this is a video I already applied on my YouTube channel. Alright, YouTube videos, channel videos, whatever guys, doesn't matter. And this is what's look like. Alright, end of the video. If you want to apply this for the YouTube, then yes, you don't need any skills guys. This is absolutely free. This is available free in internet, and you can just, it's very easy guys. Now I'm gonna show you where to go and how to apply, and how to apply in a video in 1 or 2 clicks, and you're done. You don't need to do anything, you're ready to go. All right, so don't worry guys, be with me and I'm gonna show you more. All right, this is I'm gonna play from the start. This is my previous video. This is my previous video guys for tutorial, and if you want to watch it, go and watch it if you want. But for now, I'm not gonna play whole this video because it's gonna be wasted, because it's already on my YouTube channel. So for now, this is the outcome guys. This is the outcome, and if you apply free template for your video, this is pretty good. I liked it. There was many available for free, and this is the one I liked it most, and I chose this one. So what I have done is, this is a website guys. It's called mixkit.co/free Premiere Pro template on YouTube. There's a YouTube because I've chosen YouTube. Alright guys, I'm gonna place the link under my bio on this video. Right, don't worry, you don't need to worry about that one. I'm gonna place the link under my bio so you can click and straight away. There's no hassle or anything like that. All right, there's many options guys. See, this is for YouTube. Okay, so end of the video, this is the indie screen. This is basically called the indie screen, and if you want to apply different template, there's many available right here. There's another one, there's another one, there's many of them guys. And yeah, this is the one I have chose. I chose this one. I really like the most, and there's many more. The same design, different format, just the same thing. But if you like this one, you can choose, but my favorite is this one. And if you need any subscribe, bottom in middle of the video, you want to place the subscribe button, and because you have to be able to do this, you need a little bit more skills. But why would you want to spend more time for nothing if you have already in the internet for free? Yeah, no money, free guys, absolutely free. Okay, yeah, there's many more guys. Happy to go, and I like this one, the subscribe and template in a banner or whatever, cursor, clicking the YouTube button, like button, and the subscribe and the bell icon. Yeah, this is reminding the people that you should subscribe to my channel. Yes, basically. And there's more template. If you wanna go browse, choose anything you like. This is very cool guys. I really liked it. All right, now I've done too much talking. Now I'm gonna show you how you exactly supposed to be done, right? Supposed to be doing, not done, doing. Yeah. Sorry about my English, guys. And yes, so click. So I'm gonna show you the template I chose, and click in this one. Click, yes, click. Just click, guys. Anyone can click, I guess. You know, if you're a video editor, then you pretty much know how to click. I don't need to, you know, tell, I guess. And there is the one, guys. All right. So there is an option called download free template. All right. What I have to do is click on download. Download is started. Here we go. That's it. Download is started already. All right. Already. Now what I have to do is all right, this is one. All right, I have downloaded this, and what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna open my Premiere Pro. Premiere Pro. Okay guys, when you jump into the Premiere Pro now, I've already shown you where to go to get the template. Now this is how you supposed to be, you know, apply your template in Premiere Pro. Okay guys, so after you download the file, because I've already done in this one, I'm gonna delete it. All right, so this is how you're supposed to be. This is where you're supposed to be on Premiere Pro. All right, everybody knows, I guess. And now what I have to do is go to graphics. Okay, go to graphics, and when you go to graphics, right inside you see like this. All right, you browse, edit, you know, essential graphics. It's already some template has been provided by Premiere Pro, and already placed my template right here. Thanks for watching template. Yeah, this is the one guys I showed you from that website. It's completely free, and if you want to add that up in your, you know, Premiere Pro, click, choose, you know, click that plus button right here and choose the file you want to place it in, and choose and click. That's it, you know, choose your file, done. Just right here, there's you're supposed to be clicking right here, guys. This is the one. Okay, and this is already I have already done, so I don't need to do it again. I think this is pretty basic, guys. Everybody knows how to import it. Importing is easy. Importing a graphics, or you know, or anything, it's pretty easy. All right, so what I have to do is after you import this file in under graphics, drag and drop in your working, you know, sequence right here. Okay guys, so what happens is this is right here. This is how it's supposed to be, you know, looking. You know, if you don't match size or anything, you can, you know, sizing is, because I already recorded this video in 1080, so it doesn't matter for me. But if you need to resize or set to frame size, you know, right click and choose the option. It's very easy. All right, for now the text, you can't see the text pretty much. This is very white, but you can change the color, don't worry, very easy. All right, you can tweak anything right here in the right inside, guys. Edit, select the graphic template, and right inside go to main text, start from the top. Main text is thanks for watching, and you know, it's supposed to be black. Click here, choose black, you got black, easy. If you want to put yellow, put yellow. It's up to you guys, any color you like. Okay.